Mmm, that is so good. Rice Krispie Squares, but we're giving it an Oreo cookie flavor. So let's get to it. Okay, so you're probably looking at me and you're like, something's different about her today. And yes, I got my hair done today. I'm feeling great. This is actually what I usually look like. What you're normally seeing earlier was like my natural hair color. And I decided to perk myself up because it's going to be summer soon and got my hair done. So this is the new and improved Christal today. So here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding 2 of these packages of the mini marshmallows. Okay. We don't want to burn these, but we're just going to be melting them down. Super simple recipe. My son Tara was like, Mom, can you make these? And I'm like, of course. So that's what I'm doing. He's a foodie like me, right? So anytime he wants me to try something new, I definitely want to try it with him. So we're going to add these 2 here. It's on high. I'm going to have to put it down. Don't want to burn it. And we're going to be melting these marshmallows. I'm going to be constantly stirring it. I feel like this is, you know what? I feel like this is like too small. Start to melt a little bit. See? So I'm just going to add it here instead. I'll have to wash this pot later. It's getting sticky. Oh, all right. It won't come off. You know, I had to go put some music on. Okay, so it says like half of a stick or something like that of butter. I'm just going to add this much butter. But that's what it says. It says like half a stick of butter. What happens next in a party? Oh my God. Bad behavior all the time. Okay, let me mix this up here. Because I feel like it's like cooking the marshmallows, and I don't want to do that. I think I should have probably put the butter first, maybe. I don't know. Okay, there. It's melting nicely. I'm going to put it down a little lower because I don't want it to quickly melt. I just want it to melt properly, right? I'm also going to add some vanilla bean to this. Okay. I'd say maybe like a tablespoon. Like that much. I saw this recipe on TikTok. My son sent it to me and asked me if I could make it. I just watched it one time and saw like what the ingredients were and stuff. So I'm kind of winging it. It's not a difficult thing to make. Rice Krispie Squares. But like I said, I'm making it a little bit different. You know what I've noticed? That when I'm playing soca music is when I'm the happiest. Like I do notice like some of my other videos, like yeah, like I get happy with other like some old school dance hall. But I do notice, and I have noticed, that whenever I'm making videos and I'm listening to soca, that makes me in a better mood, to be honest. It's like I can't be quiet. Like when I hear it, I'm like, oh, I just can't stop it. Anyway, oh, it's melting nicely. Yeah. In the meantime, while that's just kind of sitting there melted, I'm going to be crushing about 20 of these Oreos. Maybe I'll just like do a whole pack. This is like a pack that I already opened. And maybe I'll just take the whole pack, crush it up, and put it in the marshmallow. One sec. Okay, I'm back. Okay. So we're just going to crush a whole bunch of them in there. So you see here, I'm gonna turn this off because I don't want it to be melting too much. And we're just going to crush it with our hands like this, like chunks. We don't want it to be like too thin. Just gonna crush it in here. I mean, I'm making it for my family, so it doesn't really matter. And my hands are clean, as always. My hands are always clean when I'm cooking. Like, who wouldn't do that? You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I'm making it for my family. Nobody else is eating it. So I'm just gonna crush it up like this. He asked me to make this, and I was like, well, find me something online to give me an idea. I already kind of had an idea what I wanted to do, but he's like, okay. So then he found me this recipe. I was like, okay, sounds good. I'll do that. Then he also asked me if I could put some chocolate chips in there. So I said, well, it'll probably melt the chocolate chips into like a chocolate. And he's like, oh, that sounds really good. So I'm going to grab some chocolate chips and I'm going to melt it in here. Okay, so I've got some chocolate chips here. Maybe like a handful. Here. Hey, 2 handfuls, maybe. Maybe 3. Hey, why not? 3 handfuls. Okay. But it look nice, but it look good. Boom, boom. Oh, you see, look, it's turning all chocolatey. That's gonna be so yummy. But it look nice, but it look good. Okay. Oh, look, it's chocolate. You see? Well, for the sake of the video, I'm going to measure. So this is 2 cups. I think I'm going to put like 6 cups. Let's see. 2, 4, 6 cups. Let's just mix that up first and see what that's like. Mix up nicely. Oh, that looks so good, right? Here's my song. How come this is always playing when I'm making videos? It's like as if it's on repeat, and it really isn't. I have a really long playlist. Oh, it smells really good too. See, look, watch. I want the big gal for the carnival. Yes, for the carnival. That's right. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more. Boy, like just like a little sprinkle. Look at that. That looks like maybe another another cup. I think that's good. Look. I want the big gal. That looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to add it to this here. I'm going to put some parchment paper here. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, hold on. This is so awkward and heavy. Hold on a minute. The big gal. Okay, let's try this again. My forearms. Okay, let's try this again. Hurry up. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Boy, there we go. Hopefully this turns out, guys. Like I hope it like hardens a bit. All right. That's quite a bit. Okay, let's try this hard. Hold on. Because I don't want to be too sticky. Hold on. Okay. Let's try this. Oh gosh. Maybe I should get like gloves. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I got my glove and I wet it. So it makes it easier and it's not going to stick really to my... Oh, it's still sticking. So I'm going to go add some more water. There. There. Looks a bit more like chocolatey right here, but whatever. I'm going to put this in my fridge and let it sit. I just want to show you for real, right there. Isn't that nice? Look, I like it. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so now it is done. I'm going to cut it out. Okay, took it out. It's going to be easier to cut this way. It's kind of sticky still. It sat in the fridge to cool off a little bit. That's why it looks like this. Okay, so I have my knife. And I'm going to cut up like one in the middle, I guess. Probably shouldn't be doing the middle one, but I want to do it anyway. I cut up a little square in the middle to show you guys. It's not coming out as nice as I wanted it to, but look. See? And that's what it looks like on the top. Isn't that nice? You know the first bite's always for you.